Alright, I'm gonna grab this part right here. I'm gonna grab it right here and I'm gonna wiggle it, alright? And tell me if that's normal, because on the other side it doesn't wiggle as much. Maybe that's the source of my clunking issue. Hopefully. Is it supposed to be doing that? So I got my truck yesterday from the shop. I removed the front sway bar. I was hoping it was a sway bar link that was doing the clunky noises. That we replaced the tie rods with Heim rods, pretty much the whole steering system. This is like a zone off-road aftermarket center link bar. I replaced the idler arm. But yeah, is that supposed to wiggle like that? I mean, if we go on the other side, right here, it wiggles. It still makes some noise, but not as bad. Are they supposed to wiggle at all at that point? I don't know. I really don't know, honestly. I'm so frustrated. I can't figure out the clunking sound. So Monday I have another appointment. They're gonna take the wheels off and check everything from maybe loose brake calipers to a blown shock. I only have like not even 10,000 miles on the Icon shocks, and I've only been off-road once, so I don't know. I'm really starting to get frustrated. I hope I figure it out. Open to ideas and suggestions. If you can, guys, get out of your truck and try and wiggle that, and let me know if that's normal or not. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.